guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tania. I hope you're all fine and doing well. Today I'm doing another realistic portrait drawing. I'm trying to do it with the 10B and 6B pencil. Here I am using a 6B pencil and there will be another pencil and that will be a 10B pencil. Here I'm just using these two pencils, and because I am thinking that I should try to draw portraits, because if you don't do it so you are not gonna learn. So doesn't matter you are bad or good, just practice it, you'll be better someday. Because I'm bad at it, so I have to do practice obsessively, and I'm trying as much as it possible, and it's kind of hard, but I'm trying to do enough. I couldn't do practice because I'm kind of sick right now, but I'll try to do my best, and in future I'll try to do more portraits with these stones, because someone's told me that you are an artist, though I'm not right now, but your lines will show that you are an artist, and it will, like, whenever they will see your artwork, so they will feel good. So if you want to do better, then you have to do practice and keep practicing. That's what I'm gonna do, and I'm thinking to do more portraits in future. And I didn't do portrait for like BTS's picture for more, like, it's been a long ago that I tried to draw them, and I want to draw them again. And of course there is album is coming, so I want to do a portrait of J-Hope, because his album is coming. So I want to draw him, and this time I want to try realistic portrait on him, because I have never tried to draw BTS in that way, like realistic way, because in the beginning I never tried to do it, but now I want to do it. If I don't do it, then I'm not gonna be better, so I thought, let's do a try, and I will try it in future. In future I have this plan drawing J-Hope, and I hope it will turn out good, and I'll show you how it will look. And don't raise your hope that much high, because I'm not that good at it. I'm trying my best, and let's do it. And making these videos is really helping me, because it's helping me a lot. Doing these things, uploading videos is helping me a lot, because it's making me do something that I don't wanna, like, is outside of the box. Because right now in my class I'm doing body parts, I'm trying to draw body parts, but outside of the class for the video I'm trying to do this type of realistic portrait, pencil sketch, pencil drawings, and it's really amazing, and it's really helping me a lot. Through this channel I did improve a lot because of this channel. I'm really thankful to it, though I don't get that much views, but it should not matter, because I have to keep uploading my videos, because it's gonna make me draw, and it's a good way for me to draw. That's why I wanna do it. And And like my last video, here I'm trying to do tones and trying to do silver tones, character tones. By the way, I didn't use that much character tones because I need to use more silver tone, I guess, because it's kind of professional. By the way, you can use both tones, but let's see, because I don't know so many things right now and I need more time, so I have to keep practicing, and I have to research about it. I have to watch other people, other artists art. Of course, I need to see what they are doing and how they are doing. It's really important for me to see their art, because it's gonna teach you so many things. It's gonna teach you how depth you have to see, and how much focus you have to have, and how you can do this and do that. So that's why you always have to see other artists drawings. By the way, you are seeing this angle because of the camera's angle is looking like this, except that it's looking good. Like from the front view, everything is fine, and at the last of the video you are gonna see how it's gonna look, how it's looking from the front view. Actually, in case of drawing, you have to see a lot. I always try to find out that how you can improve, and what to do, how to be a good artist. Everyone said almost the same thing first, that you have to be able to draw first. If you're not good at drawing, no matter how much you do the other things, you won't be able to achieve your milestone. So that's why what I want to do is draw. I want to draw more. I want to draw more. Right now I'm just drawing, and I have to keep drawing another things, everything that I see. I just saw someone's video and he told that you should draw everything that you see. You should try to draw everything you have in front of your eyes. So that's what I'm gonna do. Doesn't matter it's a still life or figure or whatever, I'll try to draw it, and it's becoming I want to do it. I want to draw more and more, but before that I have to be really be in sound health. But right now I'm kind of sick, so I'm not in the mood of drawing, and I'm doing plans what to do in future, because I want to keep improving, and I want to improve more in future. And if I don't draw, I am not gonna improve, so I gotta draw more and more. So I'm planning to draw more and more, and I'm gonna keep you updated. Actually, I'm not that much active on social media, so that's why I am always kinda dead or something like that. But I'm really sorry for that, but I'll try my best to keep you busy with my video, and I try to draw more and more, and try to do my best. This video is almost gonna end. It's just 10 minutes and 39 seconds long, and we are almost at the end of this video. At the end of this video, you're gonna see how I did it, how it's looking like from a front view. It was kind of cool. I was so happy with the results, though it was not good from a professional's view. If I show someone who is professional right now, she's gonna or he is gonna say that it's not that good, but he or she knows that I'm not that I'm not a pro right now, so I'm sure I'll get that time. Now here it is looking like this. It's looking quite good and I'm happy with it. So that's it. We are end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and share. Bye.